The cabin air filter in your 2021-2022 Kia K5 is essential for clean air inside your car, trapping dust, pollen, and pollutants. It's located behind the glove box on the passenger side, designed for straightforward access. Park your K5 on a level surface and turn off the engine. Open the glove box fully. You'll see the CAF housing, a rectangular box secured by clips or screws. Unlatch or unscrew the glove box damper, a plastic arm. Release the clips or tabs on the filter housing cover, usually 4 to 6 clips. Note the old filter's orientation. Arrows indicate airflow direction, and pull it out. Working in a ventilated area and using gloves helps avoid inhaling dust. Insert the new filter in the same orientation as the old one, typically with arrows pointing toward the cabin. Reattach the housing cover, securing all clips. Close and secure the glove box. Start the engine and run the HVAC system to check for air leaks. If your K5 has maintenance reminders, reset them via the dashboard or Kia app. Regular CAF changes, every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually, prevent respiratory issues and maintain HVAC efficiency. Mechanics emphasize that neglecting the cabin filter can lead to a 10 to 20% reduction in HVAC performance.